Today the professor is going to ski because his friend here, Teos, he's going to ski as well. Look, they're big friends, look. Everyone else is doing some exercise, they're just talking to each other, look. So, here they are. Sarah is in group over there. She's in the green group. Teos, she's in the orange group. Here we are.
Super!
Tina's in the back there. She's going to do some cross country apparently. So, snowing a little bit. It's a bit cloudy, but it should be okay. It's not so cold. It's not windy. If it's not windy, it's okay. So they practice skiing just on one ski. Even the professor's class will ski on one ski to start with. They're all doing it, look.
Andrea, to je proč na porno.